So let's see the next problem. The next problem is of arithmetic operators. The task is that we need to take two integers input from a and b. So okay, the input format is a and b. The output, and we need to print output of addition of two numbers, subtraction of first minus second, and the third line should be product of two numbers. So it's pretty easy. We just open PyCharm, consider a as integer of input, again the same thing for b. Okay, input. Now we just need to print all the things. We just need to print a plus b, a minus b, and a into b. So it's easy actually. Okay, let's run the code. Okay, let's check our input and their output. Okay, 3 and 2. 5, 1, 6 are our output, and their output are 5, 1, 6. Okay, it's fine. So we can just copy the code and paste it on the website. We don't need this. Okay, we'll run the code and see if it's correct or wrong. Okay, it's right. We can just submit the code. Okay, fine. Thank you.